Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. 3-in-1 Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter Signal Generator, 3-in-1 design. This product ingeniously integrates digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal source functions in one device. Equipped with a 3.2-inch IPS display, with 120 MHz bandwidth and 250 MHz sampling rate. 3 trigger modes were designed: automatic, single, and normal. Multifunctional design, support sensitivity and time-based adjustment, automatic mode adjustment, 2-channel waveform analysis, cursor measurement, reference waveforms, FFT spectrum, reference waveforms, waveform save and view. With DC-AC voltage, DC-A current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity test. Built-in waveform signal generator, it can output sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, and so on. 3-in-1 design with IPS display. This product ingeniously integrates digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator functions into one device. 3.2-inch clear definition IPS display, high sensitivity full view display, channel 2 waveforms can be set to green, cyan, purple. Signal generator, built-in waveform signal generator. It can output sine wave, square wave, triangle wave, and so on. The voltage amplitude is 2.5 volts, frequency is adjustable from 0 to 2 MHz, and the square wave duty cycle is adjustable from 1% to 99%. High precise multimeter, built-in true RMS multimeter that supports quick software calibration. With DCA voltage, DCA current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity test. When measuring low voltage resistance continuity, the oscilloscope and multimeter functions can be used simultaneously. Small window in the upper right corner. Digital oscilloscope function, Handheld oscilloscope function, with 120 MHz bandwidth and 250 ms of error sampling rate. With perfect trigger function, automatic, single, normal. Supports sensitivity and time-based adjustment, automatic mode adjustment, 2-channel waveform analysis, cursor measurement, reference waveforms, FFT spectrum, reference waveforms, waveform save and view. Number 5. OWON HDS2202S Digital Oscilloscope 2 channels. OWON HDS2202S Digital Oscilloscope. Oscilloscope plus multimeter plus waveform generator, multifunction in one. 3.5-inch high-resolution, high-contrast color LCD display, suitable for outdoor use. 1950 lithium battery can work continuously for 3 to 6 hours. USB Type-C interface, support power bank, support PC software connection, self-calibration function. SCPI supported, facilitate secondary development.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.